How to connect the flight controller. Currently, the wireless video data transmitter and flight controller are connecting through the D to serial port. Connecting the serial cable. Look at the flight control here. We connected the TELEM2 serial port on the flight controller. This is the power supply 5 volts for the flight control from the battery. Please check the pin definition of our transmitter data port again. There are two ways to connect the receiver to the computer, the network interface and the serial port. This video demonstrates the first type, network cable connection. Now you can see that our receiver is connected to the computer through a network cable. I do the rest of the work on the computer, and I switch the video to the computer's monitor. First, we need to modify the IP network settings of the computer. Network settings. Ethernet. In this tab, then set this IP address. Use the following IP, 192.168.1.2. Then click OK. In the browser, enter 192.168.1.12 transmitter IP address. Choose Serial tab. UART2D2 serial port. Protocol select UDP. Baud rate select 57,600. Pay attention here. The IP address here should be the same as the IP address of your computer. The default port number is 8091. Then click Confirm. Select System tab. Click Reboot. Pay attention here. Here we set the transmitter's IP12. The IP address of this computer-connected receiver is 192.168.1.11. We just modified the page of the transmitter on the flight control side. After the transmitter restarts, we refresh the page and then enter again. On the Serial tab, the remote IP address is the same IP address of your computer. Then run Mission Planner. Pay attention here. We choose Protocol UDP. Then click Connect Directly. Here, 8091, then click OK. When you see this progress bar, it indicates that the connection has been successful. This is to connect the wireless video data receiver to the computer via a network cable. In another video, we will demonstrate how to connect the wireless video data receiver to a computer via a serial cable. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions. www.ivcon.com